Patrick goes running out to the door when I sit right about there is when he gets out that door.
Oh, oh my God. What the fuck was that guy doing?
Keep watching though, yeah.
How long?
2 minutes. Oh man.
He's fucking wasted. That was fucking so funny. Oh. Oh man.